On behalf of Med Systems International, I'd like to thank you for taking some time out of your very busy schedule to give us an opportunity to show you how we can provide sensible solutions for you and your facility.
One of our flagship products is our Adult Protector. It used to be called Bibs and now called an Adult Protector. And what most companies, if you've ever been out there, they use a Velcro closure. And Velcro, when it gets washed with lint, it doesn't stick. So what'll happen is they'll put it on and it'll come off of them like this. They just don't stick. So we developed a very unique closure called a Tabib. And the way that it works is it has a loop here and it has a tab. And the tab goes here and it just holds it tight.
Once it's put onto the patient, it's basically fail-safe. It's not going to come undone. They're not going to pull it off. And it's going to do what its intended job was, to protect the patient's clothing from getting soiled.
We put a blue trim around it so that whenever they process this, they're easy to pick it out of the laundry because bath towels are the same. Why is an Adult Protector used? Number one, it's used to protect the patient from getting their clothes soiled.
The other thing, and the most important thing is, I think, is we have to have empathy for the patient and the family.
Most of the Adult Protectors on the market come down to right about here, if you take a look. So basically what happens is the food will fall from the lap, either contaminate the clothing or it'll fall on the floor. If it falls on the floor, they gotta go get a mop and they gotta clean it. Somebody's gotta clean it, or somebody's gonna fall on it, spill, and they're gonna have an issue like that.
When you take all the costs involved by not using the proper type of Adult Protector, by either wearing one that doesn't hold tight and it comes off of the patient, or one that isn't long enough and it soils the clothes or the floor, you can see why Med Systems, by providing a sensible solution, can reduce your costs in your facility. We believe that Tabib is the most sensible solution in the market today. We hope you agree and will give us an opportunity to prove it. Thank you.